because track 2 lights were lit double red, so not sure. And they didn't say anything about, I just heard the train was coming on the radio, that was it. They didn't specify any train number. Very, very windy out today, so audio might not be the greatest. The wind might blow me around a little. So far it's not been too bad. Looks like we got a mix. We got auto racks coming. Which definitely means 147. No, sorry. Well, I guess it could be 148. Usually it's 147s, the mix the other way. I don't know about this one then. I'll have to wait and see if I hear them finally say it on the radio or not. Good train anyway. Surprised there's no DPUs. Not a lot of auto racks. Look at that wind. Get some good graffiti here. Come on, give me something good. A good character art. Not that many cars left, so. We got a full car one down there. Whoa, that wind. Gruesome. Well, doesn't look like any character art. Kicking up. All kind of character art, yeah. Oh, and another one. And another one. That was pretty nice. Alright, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.